Hello guys, Amit this side from Sahiba Car, Bali Nagar. Today we have installed Mtrax Android stereo along with 360-degree camera kit in new Brezza. This is the 2023 variant. First of all, you can check out the fitment of the stereo. This stereo has been mounted along with a proper gloss black finish frame, which is adding a good look to the car interior. Apart from this, if we talk about the specifications of this head unit, this head unit comes along with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, IPS panel and Gorilla Glass. The main benefit of IPS panel in the screen is that if we watch from any angle, we will get a clear view of the screen. Like I am tilting the camera angle, after which you can check out the screen is totally clear. Moving on to the other thing, you can check out the touch response of this stereo as well, which works flawlessly due to presence of capacitive touch in it. In this stereo, we are provided with a lot other features. Like first of all, I would like to show you the DSP settings. This is the digital sound processor. In total, we are provided with 36 band of equalizer. Each and every point of sound can be adjusted according to our requirement. Many other modes are also available, like the surround sound option, using which we can direct the flow of sound that is coming from the speakers. This is the zone option, which can be used to check whether all the speakers are working in the car or not. We are also provided with the option of subwoofer gain, using which we can directly control the subwoofer. This is the sound option, in which a lot of modes are available, like the high frequency mode, compression mode, voice mode, loudness mode and timbre mode as well. And we are also provided with the bass boost option. The main benefit of bass boost option in this head unit is that we can directly enhance the bass that is coming from the speakers. And at last, this is the bass filter option, which can be used to increase or decrease the bass that is coming from the speakers. Moving on to the other thing, all the features which are provided in this car by the company are working perfectly. Like these are the steering control keys, which have been synced along with this device and have proper functionality along with it. With this mode button, we have synced the 360-degree camera application. You can check out the view of 360-degree cameras that we have installed in the car along with the stereo as well. On the left side, we are provided with a calibrated view, which is in satellite mode. And on the right side, we can choose for a desired view. The main benefit of installing a 360-degree camera kit in a car is that it provides a ease while driving the car. You can also check out the clarity of cameras that we have installed along with this head unit. All the cameras are in HD quality. On engaging the reverse gear, automatically the reverse camera would be turned on the screen. You can check out the view of reverse camera as well. And on disengaging the reverse gear, automatically the front camera would be turned on for a couple of seconds. When the indicator of the car is turned on, automatically that side view will appear on the screen. Like right now, I have turned the right side indicator on, after which the right side fender is showing. We can also change the view if we want. There are a lot of views which are available along with it. This is the left side indicator mode. When the car is put into parking mode, automatically both sides view will appear on the screen. Both of these views are showing a calibrated view on the screen. This is a budget-friendly stereo. If you wish to install this stereo in your car, you can contact us. Our mobile number is mentioned below. Moving on to the other features that are also provided in this stereo. This is a full-fledged Android tablet containing all features in it. We are provided with applications such as YouTube, Google Maps and many more, using which we can directly enjoy our drive. Play Store can be used to install any application in the stereo if we require. With this stereo, we are also provided with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which can be easily accessed by using the T-Link 5 application. Both of these connections supports wired as well as wireless connections. This stereo comes along with quad-core T5 processor, which is currently the best processor. So these all are the features which are provided in the stereo.